Windows 7 has been a beloved operating system for many years now, and if you miss the iconic look and feel of Windows 7, while you can install it on modern hardware in 2023, it's a massive pain and drivers don't exist anymore for it. However, today we're going to be changing that. We're going to be installing Windows 7, but it's Windows 10. Yeah, you'll understand what I mean when I show you. Let's see if we can get that classic Windows 7 look and feel again. Get ready to immerse yourself in nostalgia and let's get into it. Alright, so the setup for this looks a lot like Windows 7, but I believe this is just a skin. Let's hope it is anyway, otherwise this would be like the ultimate troll ever. But yeah, so installing Windows 10 7. It's called Windows 10 to 7, but let's check it out. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and install this on my drive. And so far, it looks a lot like a Windows 7 setup. I'm not really too sure how I feel about this. All right, what have we got here then? So it says user welcome. Okay, that's a bit weird. I'm guessing it's like customizing the desktop and stuff all for me. So yeah, so far it's been a pretty standard Windows 7 install, which I wasn't expecting. But now it's starting to change. So I believe it's just working away in the background, customizing it all. And then we'll be into Windows 7. Oh, okay. What have we got here? Windows 7 Enterprise. Type a username, create a password. Ask me later. Wow, this is literally just like setting up Windows 7. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. Brilliant. Alright, and here we are on the desktop. So the first thing that gives it away is obviously this network pop out here, network 2. Let's just go ahead and close that. But yeah, here we are on Windows 7 in 2023. Wow. So let's take a little look around. So we've got the proper Windows 7 start menu. This all looks pretty legit. Have we got our applications? Is our Internet Explorer working? Yes, it is. Is this a reskinned Edge? No, it isn't. This is genuinely the old Internet Explorer. So that's pretty cool. What have we got here? Have we got any games? Yes, perfect. We've got Purple Place. Yes, it works. Oh, brilliant. Okay, so we've got our games installed here. We've got like stuff like calculator, that all works. Wow. This is incredible. Even the clock as well works. Okay, so it starts to fall apart here when you try and go on the language, but still, what is... Oh yeah, and the network as well. And this little pop out here looks weird, but otherwise, if you show me this, I would think it's Windows 7. If I went in the start menu and I looked at all of this stuff, well, I wonder what the file explorer... No way, they've pulled this off as well. And it's translucent as well. Like this literally is, this is pretty much Windows 7. We've even got these pop out balloons here. I haven't seen these in ages. Wow, this is next level, honestly. So normally when you used to do this, you'd had to like customize it yourself, use different like tools and stuff, and it's a lot of kind of bloatware. But this is all done for you. It's all done in a pre-made ISO. If you want to check this out for yourself, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Maybe you can trick your friends and say, look, I've got Windows 7. But this is amazing. Let's go to... Oh, we've even got the old task manager as well. And 85 processes. That's not bad at all, really, considering all of the customization that's gone into this. Not bad at all. So we've got our performance tab here. Yeah, I haven't used the old Windows 7 task manager in a while, so it's hard to kind of work out where everything is. But they've done a very good job of this. Wow. Oh, and we've even got gadgets. Yes. Oh, that's brilliant. They really should bring back gadgets, honestly. So we've got CPU meter here, RAM, a clock. We've got old Windows Media Player as well. Microsoft Paint. Oh, you know how many things were drawn on here back in the day. Many masterpieces were drawn on here back in the day. Let's try and check out the WinVer here. Oh, wow. They've even changed that. Windows 7 Enterprise. Normally, it would say Windows 10 here or something like that. But no, this is Windows 10. Trust me. I mean, you can look at this. This is all Windows 10 like. I wonder if we can trick it to try and go into like a Windows 10 application. Control panel looks pretty much just like Windows 7 did. Come on, we must be able to trick it. There's no way. This is all really well done. I can't find a single problem with this. I can't find a single bug. This is Windows 7 in 2023. Even this as well, when I open up the command prompt, it thinks it's 2009 Microsoft Corporation. Attention to detail is just next level. Yep, it even goes through there as well. I can't fault this whatsoever. I wonder if there's Windows Update. I wonder if we can get drivers through here as well. Windows Update can't check for updates. Yeah, this is pretty much using the lifted Windows Update from Windows 7, so it doesn't work. So I don't know how we're going to get drivers on here. We might need to get Snappy Driver Installer. And we found our first problem. As you can see, it's glitching out here. So obviously at the top bar, it's obviously designed for Windows 10, but it's not Windows 10. And our old shell's kind of like hidden behind it. So that's our first bug that we found. I'm glad I finally found something wrong with this. But yeah, that's a little bit of a problem, but you can still... Oh, okay. Look, we've got a Windows 10 like menu here. Which one is it? There's 2 close buttons. Which one do I press? This is really weird. I might just have to just do, yep, like that. And that's got a great background on it as well. So yeah, there's little things in there that make you think that it is Windows 10. But otherwise on the surface, it's pretty much a Windows 7 experience. Alright, so it looks like we've got no choice but to install Snappy Driver Installer, because there's no way I'm going to be able to download this properly. Oh, this is broken as well. Okay, our download menu just doesn't work. Is this working? Okay, it is. Right, let's go. Oh no, I've clicked on the wrong thing. Installed the NVIDIA graphics drivers, as you can see on my desktop here. I just go to NVIDIA control panel. It's all here. This was a bit of a pain to install. I was going to use NV Clean Install, but for some reason it kept thinking that my system was actually running Windows 7, so it wouldn't work. It just wouldn't let me. It'd say incompatible, which is quite annoying. So if you want to try and daily drive this operating system, you're probably going to run into some problems like that. But yeah, I've installed it officially from the NVIDIA site. It seems to be installed and working. So I've installed Minecraft, and let's try and play Minecraft on Windows 7 in 2023. And here we go. Here is Minecraft 1.20 running on Windows 7. Well, it's not technically Windows 7. It's Windows 10 made to look like Windows 7. So as you'd expect, the gameplay is pretty smooth. Like always, we have to kind of let the world kind of load in a bit first. And yeah, it will be a bit laggy just while we're kind of loading in our chunks. But after that, our FPS should be pretty good. So let's just go ahead and do that. It's pretty laggy, pretty choppy right now. But let's just wait for this all to load in here. And then go down here, throw up our FPS. And boom, here we go. We've got 150 FPS near about. 160, which is not bad for 1.20 whatsoever. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this performance. So technically we are playing on Windows 10, so yeah, you should expect good performance, I'd hope. And obviously with our NVIDIA graphics drivers and stuff like that all working as well, that's pretty good. But yeah, it's just super cool just to see the Windows 7 top and bottom bar on here. That is super cool. Like, I never thought I'd actually see 1.20 working on Windows 7. But yeah, here we go. It does look kind of weird, but it also looks kind of nice. I'm a big fan of the Windows 7 theme. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and install Luna Client and do some PvP on Windows 10 to 7. Alright guys, so I've just launched Luna Client on Windows 10 to 7, and here we are. So we're in a 1.8.9 world right now, just flying around, and our FPS is super good. We're getting about 500 FPS. 600 FPS, and that's all thanks to our GTX 1060 graphics card and all the drivers we've installed. So yeah, I mean, I have got a pretty good PC, but I'm pretty surprised to see this kind of performance on Windows 10, because I believe this was built off an old version of Windows 10 anyway. So to be able to get this kind of performance and have all my programs and drivers and everything all working is pretty cool. And yeah, so yeah, we're pretty good for video set. I mean, look, what? We're on 12 render distance. I forgot to even turn that down. But yeah, otherwise we've got pretty much these settings here. We're probably going to get even more FPS now. 1000 maybe? We're getting 800. Yes, there we go. 1000 FPS on Windows 7. How cool is that? So yeah, as you can see, we're still on Windows 7. If we open up our task manager, we've got obviously the very old task manager here. 93 total processes, which is still pretty good, keeping it under 100. And yeah, this is really cool, honestly. And I'm so happy to see all the games have come pre-installed as well that I used to play back in the day. This is honestly a really cool operating system. It's so nostalgic. Alright, so here we are on the Hypixel lobby. Now this is normally a pretty good test to do, but still, our FPS is really good. It's staying above 60. We're getting about 80 to 100 FPS, maybe more, but yeah, still really good performance, which I'm quite happy with. Let's go into full screen now, because I know a lot of people complain that I don't play in full screen, but the only reason I do that is just so you can see the top and bottom bar, so you know that I'm not just on my main PC or whatever. But yeah, you can trust that I'm on Windows 7 right now, doing a bit of PvP on Hypixel. So yeah, this is a pretty cool operating system, but if you want to check this out for yourself, just be warned that not a lot of things will work just because of how well it's been made. It's literally suffering from its own success here, but it's a very good way to kind of trick your friends or if you just got like a PC just to do general tasks on, but you don't want to use Windows 11 or Windows 10, then why not use Windows 7? It's pretty cool. They've done it pretty well. And yeah, gaming, it's all right for, you know, my performance is good. It is based off an old version of Windows 10, but you can get all your drivers eventually once they install properly, and you should be pretty good. And yeah, it's not too bad really. Right, let's try and win a duel here. Come on. I keep losing. What? Right, can we win a duel on Windows 7 or Windows 10 or whatever you want to call it? Come on. Come on. It's literally on 0.1 and I'm out of arrows. What? How did we lose that? I'm not normally this bad. I don't know what's happened today. I'm guessing it's the summer holiday, so all the sweats are on. But yeah, let's... Okay, yes, combo. Yay, there we go, finally. GG. Anyway, if you still kind of watch my like Minecraft gameplay and stuff, I've actually got a second channel for texture packs and stuff like that. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. I do like top 5 videos on there. I do pack making videos, and all my kind of marketplace texture pack related stuff will be on that channel now. So make sure to go check it out. I'm going to be doing some Bedrock stuff on there as well, which is going to be pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This guy's... What is this? But yeah, so I'm going to be doing more Bedrock stuff on my texture pack channel, I've decided now. Because Java, it's kind of reached its peak for me, really. Like, if you want to do texture packs and stuff, then that's great. But you've only really got 1.8.9 Bed Wars community to kind of cater to right now. And even then, that's shrinking, like, literally daily. Not many people do Bed Wars and stuff like that anymore. It's mainly just background gameplay and commentaries and stuff. So yeah, doing texture packs on Bed Wars isn't the greatest. But for Bedrock, there's a massive community out there that want PvP texture packs. So yeah, if you're excited for that, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and look out on there. I'll still be doing Java packs and stuff as well. Every pack I post on there will have both Bedrock and Java links, so you'll all be good for that. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this pretty cool look at this very interesting operating system. I'll leave a link to it down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And yeah, thank you guys all for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. And if you want to check out my last video on Nexus Lite OS, which is a super minimal version of Windows 11, really good for low-end PCs, then click here. And I'll see you guys there.